Hey y'all, I've got a Westinghouse tank motor here on the bench this morning. This is one of the 1906 Westinghouse. We call this a tank motor. I've got it hooked up to a test lead here. It was sent to me for bearings. We're gonna plug it in and watch it run. Starts up on its own, no problem. It's got a real bad rumble to it. I'm gonna get this thing apart and get the bearings out of it. We'll see what the shaft looks like. We might have to dress the shaft just a little bit, but we'll get new bearings in it front and rear. So y'all stand by. Okay guys, I'm back with this 1906 Westinghouse motor, and I've got the old bearings out from in there. There they are in that cup. And there's the old thrust washers that were in there, and they're, of course, by now they're hard and brittle. So we made new bearings, front and rear bearings, and I've got all new thrust washers in there. Got everything aligned, axial end play adjusted real good. I've got it hooked up to a test lead. I'm going to plug it in and let you see it run. Now I've got this motor turned upside down because I don't have the oil cups to get lubrication to it. So in that case, I just turn it upside down so I can drop a couple of drops of oil down in there, and it'll be fine to run it just to test it. Okay, so here we are. We're going to plug it in and let you see it run. Very, very quiet running motor. Okay, all right, thank you all for watching.